Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. In the gold market, consistency in a tight range near the recent lows that have been formed on the intraday chart. And here on the daily chart, actually, we have mostly the same picture. And as we said in the weekly report many times, that to make the conclusion on the further direction, we need to see market break out of the range of this large weekly range, which is actually the doji pattern on the weekly chart. And the direction will depend on its breakout. Fundamental background, if we do not take into consideration the panic around the euro spreading, but normal fundamental factors for the driving factors for the gold, they suggest that the breakout probably should follow to the downside. Right? A lot of reasons for that. First of all, as we said many times already, this is not bad statistics in the United States in an economy. Now it's resolving the turmoil around the Trump impeachment. Second, purely gold market driving factor. It's highly saturated long bullish positions on the gold. So everybody who could take the long position already have it. So it means that nobody could buy more, and that usually becomes the reason for retracement. Finally, gold market currently is entering the seasonal bearish trend, and it's also indicates the decreasing the demand of the physical gold. So jewelry, coins, and so on. So that altogether suggests that normally in the current environment, gold has to show the deep retracement, and I will not be surprised if we will see gold somewhere around 1450 area. The only concern here, the factor that we can't predict and can't control, this, of course, the situation with the virus spreading. Currently, it seems that market is getting some relief, but what will happen tomorrow and the next week, well, nobody could say definitely. So in the current environment, we still keep watching of this possible ABCD pattern, which indicates that nearest target should be somewhere around agreement in the 1520 area. And if no bad surprising appears again on the virus, gold theoretical should proceed lower, right to this area first. But in the perspective, it could be even stronger. But that is what we have on the daily. On the intraday chart, guys, here we probably could focus only on some small type of action. Market probably today will be quiet, preparing for a non-farm payroll release tomorrow. After the significant drop, it now takes in some consolidation. So today hardly will get something really very significant. On the 4-hour time frame chart, indeed, yesterday we've got this additional drop lower, was taken out of these lows to complete the COP target. Now it shows the pullback. But here, guys, also take a look. Market has formed some kind of the bearish reversal type of actions because market has created the new top here, but closed below the lows of the previous candle. And that doesn't exclude the chance that we will get some kind of the maybe a bit lower type of action, and that's why we have to be careful around the key points, key levels that could give us the hint what to expect in nearest time. For that purpose, we could use the hourly chart. So take a look. Here, actually, we have two different scenarios as usual, either up or down. So from talking about the up scenario, we have the bullish divergence. This is kind of the hand and shoulders type of shape, and we have the ABCD pattern, which has the OP around the confidence resistance 1565, 1567. So that actually we have talked about the same setup we talked about yesterday, but yesterday's market was tending to reach the COP on the 4-hour time frame chart and has shown this deep drop instead of the just BC retracement, this upward continuation. But we could get this ABC pattern today. Here, if you would like to take the long position, you have to control the C point. Market should not drop below it, This first condition. And second, just keep watching. This market will take it out of this top as well. So B points, move above the B. That will give you the early confirmation that market indeed is coming to this area. Conversely, if you would like to take the short position, you should wait either the completion of the ABCD retracement. In this case, we will get at least minor gutless cheaper to sell here, through testing probably this neckline of our hand and shoulders pattern. So also that market could show downward action. Or keep watching for the C point. If market suddenly return it back down, because market currently probably stands at the COP target somewhere in this area. If it will turn down and taken out of the C point, that will tell you this market is tending to form the butterfly. Because here, guys, what moment that I do not like here is that here we have uncompleted XOP. So the XOP of these points, A, B, C top that we discussed yesterday, has completed here. But we also have the XOP target of the whole hand and shoulders pattern with this A, B, C top pattern, and this XOP stands lower. It's around 1541. And for that purpose, market really could form the butterfly. But the problem is that as ABCD retracement, as possible XOP reaching are not mutually exclusive, because market could form the ABCD and then drop to the XOP. That's also is possible. From that standpoint, the C point plays key role. So if market will drop below the C, it means that we're tending to get the butterfly and completion the XOP. If market will remain above the COP, starting to move high and taking out of the P point, it means that we're going with the ABCD pattern right to this level. So that's approximately the short-term setup that we have. But major action probably will happen tomorrow when the non-farm proposals will be released.